So 22 says, according to the passage. This is another stated question, which means the correct answer has to be said in the passage. According to the passage, the fact that we are accustomed to dealing with our mental constructs rather than the primary sense perceptions on which those constructs are based facilitates our ability to do what? So we just have to go back and find where they're talking about this and see what it facilitates, and that's what was said. That's it. So where was this discussed? It seems like I'm...
the last paragraph?
Wait, I thought it was
34?
34, 32, 28, right? It
Yeah.
seems natural because we are accustomed to dealing with our mental constructs of objects rather than with the primary sense perceptions. That's exactly what the question in 22 is saying. And so wait, I just read that sentence, but wait. Oh, it seems natural because we are accustomed to it, right? So the explanation, the front to back explanation, seems natural to us. It makes sense. We seem to get it because of what is said in lines 29 to 31. Thanks. So, what is that being used to do? It's being used to help us get it, to understand it, or it makes sense to us. That's what answer choice B is saying. Understand the front to back explanation of what mirrors do. What answers were we debating?
I chose D.
D. Reject customarily reliable equations. Oh, I didn't like that word customarily. I don't know why I didn't like that. What was I thinking? Are they customarily reliable equations? I think they said that in general we can safely, this is on line 32, we can safely presume a fairly reliable equation between our perceptions and their associated mental constructs. So we can presume this, but reject customarily, like custom made me feel like this was something that other people were thinking were reliable. But even if that's true, between perceptions and their associated mental constructs, I don't know if this would facilitate our ability to reject it. I think it is facilitated by the fact that usually these things are reliable. It's almost like a flipped causal relationship. Like, the fact that these things are normally reliable is why we rely on our mental constructs rather than our primary sense perceptions in these cases. Because we think, oh, what we see is an actual reflection of what we're seeing. So it's almost like it flips the causal relationship. And it says rejects as opposed to, like, help us, or I guess get mixed up, but I feel like the relationship is going in the other direction, bottom line. So I don't know if customarily it's actually that big of a deal. I thought it was when I read it, but now I'm thinking it's just a reversal. What other answers were we debating here? That's it? Okay. Talia, you felt good about that one?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I marked C, but misread it.
Misread it. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.